Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your brand identity with Canva, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging in to your Canva account. If you don't have an account, sign up for free to get started. Once logged in, select the type of design you want to create. Canva offers various templates for social media, presentations, logos, and more. Choose a template that aligns with your brand identity. Next, customize your template by clicking on elements you want to edit. Change the text to reflect your brand's voice and messaging. Select the font style that represents your brand personality. Canva offers a wide range of font options for you to choose from. Adjust the font size and spacing to enhance readability. Now, select a color palette that matches your brand theme. You can create a custom color palette using Canva's color wheel. Ensure that the colors you choose are consistent across all your materials. Next, incorporate your logo into the design. If you don't have a logo yet, consider creating one using Canva's Logo Maker. Use icons and images that resonate with your audience and brand image. Explore Canva's extensive library of free and premium elements. Make sure each visual element aligns with your brand tone. Once you've finalized your design, review all components for consistency. Check the alignment and spacing of each element for a professional finish. After you're satisfied, save your design by clicking on the Download button. Choose the appropriate file format based on how you plan to use it. Consider downloading in PNG or PDF format for high-quality prints. Regularly update your Canva brand kit as your business evolves. Ensure all team members have access to the brand kit for consistency. Use the Canva Workspace feature for collaboration on designs. Finally, keep all your brand assets organized in folders for easy access. This structured approach will help maintain a strong and cohesive brand identity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.